I have a plan for today. I'm going to a nearby farm and I'm gonna buy some pumpkins for my chickens. This farm is about 30 minutes away from my house. It's called Vanonsland and that's Dutch for from our land. These people grow pumpkins, potatoes, flowers and sometimes other seasonal stuff. I picked out 2 pumpkins, an orange one and a white one. And I also bought a bouquet of flowers. This is their Instagram if you want to support this business. I am also going to leave all their information in the description so you can check it out if you want to. I strapped everything to my bike to keep it secure and then I biked back home. Back home the dogs were very excited for me to come back even though I've just been away for 1 hour. So of course I had to spend some time with them. I took them outside for a little bit and we played with their little tennis ball. Boomer really likes his ball, he likes to catch it from the air. Blunder is just more interested in hugs. These are the flowers I chose. I chose the more like autumny colors. So I quickly unwrapped these and then I put them in a vase with a little bit of water. And then I also fluffed them up a little bit to make the bouquet a little bit more full. I really like how these look. There's just so many different flowers in this and I love that. It's not just one type of flower throughout the whole bouquet. Baloo also really liked them. He instantly started smelling them and he's also chewing on a few leaves, but that's okay. Then I started carving the pumpkins. For this orange one I kind of went for like a really simple jack-o'-lantern design. Just triangles for eyes and then a mouth. I did end up making the eyes a little bit small, so I made those a little bigger. You can see that I realized that here. For the white pumpkin I made a little flower and a big heart just so it's easy to eat out of it. And then I went outside to the chickens and I placed the orange one on a bucket and the other one I just placed next to it on the ground. I placed this one on a bucket just so it's easier for them to reach it. At first they didn't really know what to do with it, but then again these chickens have never seen a pumpkin before in their life, so that's not that strange I guess. They eventually did start picking at it and when they figured it out they just went ham. They all started with this orange pumpkin and especially on the mouth. They didn't really touch the eyes at all and the white one they also kind of left at first. Maybe that's just because orange is more attractive to them. Now in the design I made for this one I did make a few teeth, but they just went off instantly, they just picked it all off. I made the rest of this recording into a little time lapse so you can skip until this point here if you don't want to see it, if you just want to see the results. This is what they did with the orange pumpkin after about half an hour. And this is how it was looking after 4 hours. They definitely did expand the mouth a bit lot. It looks so much scarier right now and that's fine because that was the goal actually. This white one they also got into now, but the flower was barely touched and the heart was just broken, like it was just a hole now. So yeah, that's what my chickens did to these pumpkins. If you liked this video, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. That way I know that you guys like this kind of videos and I will continue to make more.